Good morning again. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee, and we have finished with nouns. If you remember, noun is Sangya, and we have discussed all kinds of nouns. And now we move. When I had in the first lecture, I had made a sentence and given you a couple of sentences. The students are sitting in the class or on the floor or something. The students is noun, I had explained to you, and the student is also something which is a subject, and the rest of the part of the sentence is a predicate, यानी कि कर्ता. Students are karta, and karta is usually a noun or a pronoun. Okay, now when we have done all the noun, I will go to the pronouns. And in case of pronouns, what you have to remember is, what is pronoun is sarvanam. Okay, so when we cannot always use, suppose I say Ram is coming to the college, Ram is having classes, Ram is drinking water. Now instead of that, we cannot use Ram, Ram, Ram all the three times. We can put another word for it, and that word would be a pronoun. So Ram is coming to the college, he is having water, and he is taking classes, or he is coming for the classes. ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ? How? What are these? They are noun. And how many kinds of nouns are there in English? First I will show you some pronouns, and you might be familiar with them. And here you are: he and she, I, it, they, me, himself, somebody, everybody, anybody, many, each, few, and whoever. They are all pronouns. Okay, so pronoun is used instead of a noun in case of a sentence, and pronoun may take a place of the name of a person, place, or thing. And there are so many examples of pronoun, as I said. Now what is first person pronoun? First person pronoun is singular I, plural is we. Second person singular is you, and plural is also you. Third person is he and she, singular, and they, plural. Okay, so here you have, I have made the first person. Okay, first person is I, second person is you, third person is he or she. And then when you're talking of when you're talking of indefinite, you're talking of something which is impersonal. When we're talking, so in English literature we have only one impersonal pronoun, and that is it. Suppose the table is made up of wood, so we will not say she is made up of wood or he is made up of wood. हम क्या कहेंगे? It is made up of wood. The weather, the day is fine. It is a fine day. So it, when we are using, so it क्या है? It is a third person, and it is a indefinite pronoun. Okay, and then first person plural is we, second person is you, and third person is they. Then we go to object. Pronouns objective, and you have me and you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. थोड़ा सा possessive pronouns भी आपका जानना ज़रूरी है. When you are saying mine or yours or his, the book is mine. किसका है? belong किसको करता है? The book is mine. The chair is yours. The shirt is his. Alright, so his किसका है? So mine, yours, his, ours. The house is ours. House, yours, theirs. ये सारे कहलाते हैं possessive pronoun. And lastly we have what you call reflexive pronoun. Now the word reflexive also, let me explain. When you see your face in the mirror, क्या होता है? आपको अपना face वापस दिखता है. So it is reflecting back your face. Okay, so suppose I say I study myself. ठीक है, तो myself क्या हो गया? It's reflexive pronoun. It is not I study themselves. It is not I study yourself. So it's I study myself. You study yourself. He studies himself. She studies herself. इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स itself, ourselves, yourselves and themselves. ये सारे कहलाए जाते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. ठीक है, तो बस थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउन में ज़्यादा आपको वो करने की समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं, थोड़ा यूसेज आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको आ जाएगा. एंड नाउ आफ्टर प्रोनाउन लेट मी गिव यू सम sentences which you can practice. Suppose simple fill in the blank. I say dash right in the morning. Now fill a proper noun here. Okay, ऐसे आप कुछ sentences. Second, dash works itself. अब यहाँ पे आप भरिए proper pronoun. Dash मतलब खाली जगह, so you put a pronoun here. और you go dash. अब यहाँ पे आपको कौन सा वाला प्रोनाउन रखना चाहिए, यहाँ पे आपको रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन लगाना है. तो यू प्रैक्टिस सम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस हियर. एंड अगेन आई एम क्लियरिंग, मेकिंग इट क्लियर. जब हम कर्ता की बात करते हैं तो हम संज्ञा और सर्वनाम का प्रयोग करते हैं. संज्ञा एंड सर्वनाम इज नाउन एंड प्रोनाउंस. वी यूज बोथ ऑफ देम एंड दे जनरली मेक the karta of the sentence. Okay, now after this, when we go to the next thing, when you talk of sentence, and even before sentence we have phrases, but I say Ram, it's making no sense, but I say Ram comes. Okay, Rakesh sits. तो इसमें मैंने दूसरा शब्द लगाया. Ram is noun, sits is क्या है, क्रिया, बैठना is क्रिया. That becomes action. Now I am talking of verb. In my next class, I hope you understand. Practice a little and thank you so much. I'll go again to the pronouns. If you want to write them down, you have the PPTs. So here you are: he, she, they, him, himself, somebody, many, each, whoever. Now there are some more examples. As I said, many or whoever. The man is standing outside. I can say he is standing outside. Pronoun लग गया. But अगर मुझे impersonal pronoun लगाना है तो somebody is standing. Somebody, यहाँ पे somebody क्या हो गया, ये impersonal pronoun हो गया. Okay, many, each, ये impersonal pronoun है. So you have some examples and then you have this to make it more clear. You can check them. You will get the PPT also and you have all the pronouns written on it. I hope you understand. Please make sentences to make it more easy for you and if you have any problems, please you can always ask me. Thank you so much.